Museo El Deposito is a museum in San Juan, Metro Manila dedicated to Cariaga water system in the El Deposito Reservoir. Established in 2019, it features galleries with interactive exhibits, artifacts, and virtual reality experience that highlight the historical significance of watermark system. The museo serves as education resources, engaging the community in promoting awareness of importance of water sources and engineering Philippine history. Tangible elements include historical artifacts, scale models, photographies, and museum-unique architectural designs housed atop the El Deposito Reservoir. Tangible heritage is preserved through education, narratives about the history of water system, the basil, and the significance of Cariaga Waterworks, shared through storytelling interactive experience.
The Museo ng Katipunan is a historical museum dedicated to the Katipunan, the revolutionary organization that fought for Philippine independence from Spain in the late 19th centuries. The Museo ng Katipunan in Manila preserves both tangible and intangible aspects of the Katipunan's cultural heritage. Tangible items include weapons, documents, and amulets used by organization, are represented through the story of key figures, interactive exhibits, and the showcase of cultural symbols like the Katipunan flag and owats. By combining these elements, the museum offers a comprehensive understanding of the Katipunan's impact on Philippines history and their enduring legacy.